Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing all bedding and inspecting the mattress for sagging or stains so you know what to fix first. Once done, fit a breathable mattress protector to block moisture and add a 1/2 to 2 topper for immediate softness. Make sure the fitted sheet has deep pockets and secure elastic. Tuck each corner with a quick, firm pull to prevent shifting. This establishes a smooth, even base and sets the tone for every layer that follows. Once the base is stable, pull on a quality top sheet, cotton or bamboo, smoothing out wrinkles so it lies flat against the body. Next, layer a lightweight blanket or quilt, then your duvet inside its cover. Choose warmth based on room temperature and personal preference. Make sure each layer aligns with the mattress edges, tuck lightly at the foot if you toss. Finally, position pillows by purpose, one for head support, one for lumbar or leg support, and one decorative to finish the look. To finish, create clean lines with hospital corners or a neat side fold so sheets stay put through the night. Fluff pillows and shake the duvet to redistribute filling, then rotate pillows and the topper every few months to prevent wear. Test the bed. Lie down in your usual position and note pressure points. If you feel sagging or lumps, swap or add a firmer topper, replace flattened pillows, or adjust sheet tension. This quick troubleshooting keeps comfort consistent night after night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.